Hey creatives, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the much anticipated Sony A7V camera that's got photographers, filmmakers, and hybrid shooters buzzing. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, from the latest insider leaks and confirmed reports to 10 major features, price predictions, and its expected launch window. If you're a gear nerd like me or planning your next upgrade, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Let's jump in. A 7 Series evolution and importance, the Sony A7 lineup has played a crucial role in shaping modern mirrorless cameras. It all began in 2013 with the original A7 compact and full-frame. The A7 II followed with in-body stabilization in 2014. Fast forward to 2018, and the A7 III became a crowd favorite. By 2021, the A7IV leveled up with better video codecs, color science, and faster AUTO FOCUS. Now, in 2025, the A7V is expected to merge flagship elements from the A7RV and Alpha 1, all while staying under that golden $3,000 mark. Recent leaks and industry buzz, trusted sources and tech insiders have revealed. Some key highlights: a brand new 36MP stacked BSI full-frame sensor, Sony's advanced AI-based real-time tracking AF full-frame 4K video at 120f, uncropped with full pixel readout, dual memory card slots, SpecExpress Type A plus SD UHS-2 built-in active cooling. Similar to the FX3, future-ready USB 4.0 support, streamlined UI, and enhanced quick menus, upgraded IBIS with AI assistance, native UVC. Deal for plug-and-play live streaming. Rumors hint at a modular electronic viewfinder (EVF) system. These specs are being validated by leaked patent diagrams and credible alpha forums. Top 10 features that set the A7V apart: 136MP stacked BSI sensor, crisp detail with fast readout, reduced rolling shutter, 4K 120fps, no crop, super slow motion with stunning sharpness, internal 10-bit for 2222. Recording, 3 dual SpecExpress and SD card slots, ideal for professionals. Efficient backup and fast buffer clearing for AI-powered autofocus system, detects faces, eyes, animals, insects, VEHICLES, tracks subjects reliably even in dim settings. 5 advanced cooling technology, extended video recording without overheating, silent and integrated. 6 9.44 old EVF, ultra clear viewfinder with near instant refresh rate, perfect for outdoor shooters. 7 fully articulating 3.2 touchscreen, improved resolution and responsiveness, vlog and selfie friendly. 8 stop AI stabilized IBIS, gimbal-like stabilization built into the body, blends optical and digital stability. 9 USB 4.0 and live stream support, fast file transfers, stream without extra gear. 10 upgraded user interface plus Cinetone, more intuitive controls, beautiful cinematic color straight from camera. Projected price: the A7 IV launched at $2,499. With the A7V's new stacked sensor and features, analysts predict a launch price between $2,699 and $2,999. That keeps it affordable while delivering serious flagship capabilities, a sweet spot for hybrid creators who want both elite video and photo features. Expected release timeline based on leaked launch cycles and dealer info: Sony is aiming for a Q4 2025 release, most likely October or November. Pre-orders might open the same day it's announced, with retail units shipping out in time for Black Friday or holiday season. Watch for a reveal at Sony's next Alpha imaging event. That's the full scoop on the Sony A7V, next-gen mirrorless camera that could shake up the hybrid creator space. With a stacked sensor, killer autofocus, 4K 120 with no crop, and pro-level features under $3,000, it might be one of Sony's most well-rounded cameras ever. What do you think? Are you holding out for the A7V, or does another model have your attention? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives and leak coverage. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay creative, and keep shooting.